are two parts of me. One is a sane god, the other one is a stray dog that needs to be kept on a leash. I did something disgusting because I was nervous. It's inexcusable and childish, though I didn't do it on purpose. Now I have to deal with remorse, reflect on what I did and maybe discuss it in the hope of not making it worse. I wish I could get rid of that wild canine beast, stupid bitch. Or at least switch that goddamn dog for a domestic hound with a kind, nice snout. If there are none left for me, I should probably tame her somehow. Well, the god is more than enough, for that reason will prevail. The mongrel must obey. But I will stop being human, then I'd be a human in this often inhospitable world anyway. Unless there is no other way to become a whole god without a dog that runs astray or tears the whole goddamn apartment apart. So I guess this way is necessary, though hard. The way of the human nature to balance